Welcome to TabletKiosk's Helpful Hints. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to properly use our standard terminal. To turn on the terminal, we must first locate the power button. Press and hold for about 1 second to turn the terminal on or off. On the left side of our terminal, you will find USB ports. When inserting a USB device, do not apply excessive force. It should slide in smoothly. On the right side of the terminal, you will find our user replaceable battery. Before removing the battery, ensure the computer is powered off. To remove the battery, slide the 2 locking tabs inwards. Then, gently slide the battery out. To replace the battery, reverse the process. Slide the battery in and slide the 2 locking tabs outwards to secure it. Thanks for watching this tutorial.